Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Waze app is showing a long list of recent locations and searches that you no longer want to see, this video is exactly for you. Removing recent locations helps keep your app clean and also protects your privacy. First, open the Waze app on your phone. On the main screen, tap on the search icon at the bottom. As soon as the search screen opens, you will see a list of recent places and destinations you searched for earlier. To remove a single recent location, tap and hold on that location. After holding it for a second, a small option will appear. Tap on Remove or Delete. That location will immediately disappear from the list. If your version of Waze does not show a long press option, don't worry. There is another way. Go to Waze Settings by tapping the gear icon. Now look for Privacy Settings or History Settings, depending on your phone and region. Inside this section, look for options related to search history or recent places. If available, tap on Clear Recent Searches. Keep in mind that Waze does not always allow full history clearing in all regions, but individual recent locations can usually be removed easily. Removing recent locations is useful if you share your phone with someone else, record screen tutorials for YouTube, or simply want a fresh start. That's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Waze feature you want to learn next.